What's up, all my drivers out there? So this is going to be a pretty quick video. I am bouncing around LA today. Wanted to stop and make this video because I've been asked this question a few times, and that is, can you have someone ride along with you when doing Uber Eats, when working for Uber Eats? Overall, yes. Now, the only rule that I've seen when doing research about this is you have to make sure, of course, that whoever is with you isn't stopping you or isn't affecting your work when it comes to delivering. So when you're going and picking up food, dropping it off at people's houses, the people who are with you, whether it's a passenger, a friend, whatever, can really not affect your workflow overall. However, when it comes to driving for Uber or regular Uber, if I'm going to call it that, or Lyft, or any other ride-sharing service, you cannot have somebody with you. When it comes to most delivery services, not just Uber Eats, but DoorDash, Postmates, all the other ones, they really don't care if someone else is with you, just as long as you're doing the work correctly and accurately.